We're often asked to handle complex pricing models where billing rates applied to customers will vary depending on some other factor. Common examples include applying different regional rates, allowing for peak and off-peak charge windows, and granting customer-specific discounts. In this example, we're using lookup tables to solve a common challenge: how to charge customers different rates depending on both where their usage happens and when it happens, while also allowing for tenant-specific discounts that change month by month. We break this down into 3 lookup tables, each with a clear purpose. Standard tariff, keyed by region, storing the base peak rate and off-peak rate. Discount tariff, monthly, keyed by tenant ID, storing a monthly discounted rate. And discount tariff, the default, keyed by tenant ID, storing a default discounted rate. We'll use lookup functions in m3ter fields that reference these lookup tables to fulfill our variable change rate example. This structure keeps pricing logic modular, flexible, and easy to maintain, separating who, where, and when into distinct tables. We start by splitting each usage event into peak and off-peak minutes. Next, we use lookup functions to pull the right rates dynamically. For off-peak usage, we check the tenant's monthly discount table first, and fall back to a default rate if no match is found. This pattern parameterizes the table name by month, letting us keep separate discount tariffs for each billing period. For peak usage, we take it further, first looking up the tenant's monthly discount, then falling back to the standard tariff for that region, and finally to the account's default rate. Finally, we calculate the total charge for the event, regardless of which rate period the usage falls into, whether it's entirely in off-peak hours, entirely in peak, or spans both. Taking this derived field as the target field on an aggregation, we can emit this value to the customer's bill. This setup keeps pricing logic clean and testable, no duplication of plans, no code changes where rates update. Lookup tables employ a table and revision model where only the data values used for the currently published revision are made available. When data values need to be updated, a new revision can quickly be published. This means pricing and finance team can adjust rates quickly, including uploading CSV JSON data value sets required for new table revisions. Lookup tables bring flexibility to billing logic. Engineers get a cleaner, more maintainable setup, and pricing teams get the agility to adjust rates safely, month by month, without developer involvement.